did so well today. Be proud of yourself. Look at that tree, buddy. Hey everybody, it's about 6 in the morning. Bogie and I have been on the road. Are you gonna poop? Gross. Bogie and I have been on the road for about an hour at 6 in the morning. We are very stoked to be meeting a new free flight group. Today we're meeting in the Mojave Desert. I was informed 2 days ago that they were meeting and I decided to pick up and go. We just pulled off for a little pit stop. Really excited to see what this free flight group is all about. And I always love meeting new bird people. It's gonna be really fun. Free flight training is something we are very interested in. It is such a huge commitment. And with free flight, there's a lot of responsibility, especially for a smaller bird like Bogie. To be completely honest, I am a little bit terrified of free flight. Hawks are a huge fear of mine. I think that I would actually die if Bogie got nipped by a hawk in front of my eyes. Yeah, that'd be horrible. And also just flying away is very scary. But I guess the biggest fear of mine is a hawk. If we were to really break it down. Not gonna lie, Bogie, you would get pwned by a hawk. You're tiny and you're pink. You look at him, he's like a puffball. A little cotton candy puffball. Bogie, shall we keep going? Do we meet these fun people? This is the desert. Bogertine. Just in awe. Yeah, my cow's hanging out. Bogie is just like, are you at a loss for words, Bogie? He doesn't know what to think. Are you posing? Buddy. What do you think about these big guys? Big leagues over here.